broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of hesitation. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of hesitation.
The end times are upon us. But chaos is not the only power in this benighted world. All my life, I have heard whispers of a place where righteous gods heed mortal prayers.
You gonna sing that song?
The Citadel of Eternity.
No pubs round here, Honor.
It will take several pilgrimages to uncover the Citadel's location. The Chaos Wastes are a wilderness of tangled paths, blighted by the Dark Gods. No map can guide us, but cairns will lead us to the Citadel's unchanging heart. Sigma, Myrmidia, Valaya, Tar, and that pagan horror the elf worships.
Lilith.
Lilith.
Whatever. They will hear and grant what aid they are able. Onwards to salvation.
Me life.
Sounds good to me. This time for nice to see new places.
Oh yes. What could...
Sen se sortoo Agert. A ver. Vale. Hartuko dute kasu honetan Siena eta joango gara apur bat
Good evening.
random. Eta joango gara kutsatxoak irekitzen gauza gehiago lortu ahal ez dugun puntu horretaraino. Eta horrela bagoa eskutzatzoak kentzen, eske pila bat ditugu. Generala, soldadoarena. Gauzak kendu alba ditugu askoz ere hobeto.
No luck getting that stallion brand. No idea what happened to that other bottle.
I think one of my companions has developed a taste for it. And sticky fingers.
Hemendik da forja. Edo agian hemendik gora. Sorry. Ahora, objektu normalak edo kaskarrak. Ba, berdin da. Guazen borrokara eta listo, ia zein helburu ditugun. Kaosaren zonalde horretaz gara joango da partida normalak. Baina zer egin behar dugun. A ver. Bardinekin, bardinekin. Que Lilianekin arazorik gabe.
What weighs several tons, draws rackmen like flies, and sounds awful? If you just answered, "Oh no, not another bloody bell," then you win a pumpkin, you lucky bleeder. Don't eat it all at once, because you'll need provisions on your way to destroying the wretched thing. We don't actually know if that lump they've raised in Helmgart is a real screaming bell, but better safe than sorry.
Mugitzen eta gatzen. Eta uste dut bihar aterako dutela Warhammerrek bideo bat, eta bideo horretan jarriko dutela Kelilearen karrera edo modu berria. Orain dauzkagu Acechador de Caminos, gure marka orain txaraltzen gaudena, Doncella eta Sombra. Eta nuzu urrengo izango dela Lozerreko guardia. Baina hori bihar jagingo dugu suposatzen dugu. Hori da espekulazioa, ez dut gehiago esango. Horrela asmatzen dut, ez badut asmatzen dut asmatzen.
Give that looter a kicking!
You think a shield will stop me?
Eta udan ere, berapenetan beste jokoren bat erosi harko dut. Ez que todo el Warhammerrak ez da historia jarraitu bat.
That's a warp fire thrower. Get clear, get clear! Dory? Ah, you're a gas rat. Over this way, Drinkbarazi. I spy a hook rat. Ha! Strangler strangles no more.
The gas rat is dead.
Vale, Eskerrik asko Siena, erregin nazu gainera.
That warp fire thrower's getting closer. There! Get flame spouter.
Vale, controls.
Magic and bloom at the air! Double the lesser flare!
Take that ice.
She's warm! And that's to stop a doorway! This way!
Ahora.
What? Nothing, let it go.
Egunen baten beharko kutsatzen irekiera masibo bat. Gauza sortzeko eta behar. Entratzeko bakarrik. Gauza de dudaro esteetan.
Oh, open cricket!
Ja, hiltzaile bat dago hortik. Ongo litzateke ekitaldi bat hemen zu eskabena edo etxea bazina guen kontu.
Get this thing off me!
Vale, orain kateak apurtu. Gure helburua betea litzateko. Vas en vela.
Right, how do I tie this bucket?
Time for a potion.
That one's mine! Feel the force start over, you filthy bastard!
No la voy a hacer.
Receive the judgment of Sigma!
Bueno, hendik ere zenranka gura aukateko daukat. Eskola batekin, historia principala eta Shinobi Girls. Gauzatze hori eta listo. Wow, niveles Shogunai. Wow. Vale. A ver. Honen gules lan, ez bat ere gustatzen hori. Edo zent, nugle ez da. Niko lore batek esan nuke ez lan ez.
Good evening. Made it through another day, eh?
Vale. A ver. Asterokoa. Bueno, saiatuko gara. Ez dut nahi. Baina gerilekin jorraituko dugu. Beraz, zentzu horretatik arazorik ez.
Good evening. Made it through another day, eh?
Kofre asko dituzek gabe. Bueno. Beste bertzanek batek.
Bile trolls are coming out of Dreisdunkel mine, and I need you lot to interfere. It's hard to believe that the Rotbloods are turning regular old trolls into those awful bile spewers. Fight your way down and destroy the altar that's transforming the beasts. You'll need black powder, but there's plenty laying around down there.
Jo, partida baten erdian ez, mesedez.
The righteous feel no pain!
Corpse roll! Oh, worn out! Let me ease your burden!
You have
guazen.
Bless this ravaged body.
Hala, guazen. Hau justiko da bakarrik.
Trolls blown apart by holy vengeance. Carnage is such a
Ez dakit nola hartu hau. Ez dut esertze ere egin.
That should lessen Helmgard's troll problem, but I am sure more tasks await.
Perish fiend! Come on, Wattens!
The shadows hide me.
You stink stronger than you strike. Go on, again. I can take it.
Ez esango dut. Agertu eta irabazi. Me.
Good evening. The end times, eh? Well, I suppose nothing good lasts forever. Best thing to do is make it count.
No es que Guerrillanekin badago aspektu bat trailer gero begiratuko dut. Dirudien hemen termopiletako Guerrillan. Jaurketzen dudan txan hori. Diruarekin ez dut nahi.
You going to hang around all day?
Hori
I've
polita da.
assembled some equipment out by the old watchtower. There's nothing there for you, so leave it alone. Maybe I'll have chance to put it to use once the skitter gate's been dealt with. That's a hint for those hard of hearing.
Guazen.
It caught our attention that the Rotbloods are digging for something. Turns out they're after the lost monolith of Gulmagak. Cursed thing is said to contain the putrid soul of a long-dead Chaos Lord, and I dread to think on the immense power lurking within.
Hemen falta dire etxai berriak,
We'd
etxai
need
mota
a score
berriak.
of wizards to even
Ese
make
idei
a
ondo
dent
dago
in the
txos
power
guaztezena,
they
baina
have.
falta dire
At
etxai
least has found a
berriak.
way to deal with it. For now, at
Apur
least.
bat desberdintasun hori emateko.
Do you ever feel like we're test subjects for Lona and Alicia's plans? Always untried, first-time stuff for us.
We can't leave. Not until they're all ash.
A ver. Bueno, va como un amadajo. Índese la caca. Hor dator. Hor bandin badator etorri gure gana.
That one's dance is over.
Hauzen segadaren... Ez da.
This is the path, Dory.
Hau ez da gizaki animalien... pantalla hori.
That bastard Blightstormer! Ha! Daddy, see it run! Watch it die!
Ah, we have stairs. Looks like a bandit lad. I do enjoy burning bandits.
A ver, kontuz laina dagoela. Que arma oso potente dago. Power. A ver. De mayor gogor.
Stop meandering and get down here! Here, ammunition! Ordnance hunting for you! Receive the judgment of even a witch has her uses! Ow, this is fun! Beware, Gatabana! Kill the vermin on me!
Poison rat! Fire and brimstone! That gas rat's going to explode!
Este monstruo da hori. Vale, normala edo ez normal.
Everything hurts!
Life is leaving you, weapon assassin!
Vale, hurrengo bizitzan niretzat izan beharko da.
Oh! Can't a woman bind her wounds in peace?
Ocean's going
yes.
down me gob. Down we go, mates.
Vale,
Looks
mendigez,
like we're
goazen
heading
bera.
downwards.
The river tells me we're not far off course.
Shit! I have failed you!
You're looking well so far.
Gas Dringbarazzi! Ah, the rush
Vale,
of
me han
bull-
dit que esta cosa és aurrera.
As long as the bridge holds. Tagaraki! This'll test us.
Ahora aquí escaven.
Elias, helm, a globadier!
Vale, me han dit que esta cosa és.
Bradley's dead, daft was it?
Vale, voy a hacer una aurrera.
Good shot, Dory. Now let's have another.
Me han dit con tus. Escaven batagón, teoría en veste batagón.
Well, well, well. Looks like the rat men have hit us snag. Export it! Oh, there's no stopping at all.
A ver si ya te asusté a Gondo.
Warming up.
Warming up.
Tenés ya te van a querer hacer picar algo de este.
You hear what I hear, good fellows. You're making me proud, Sergeant.
This better taste good.
Vale, ongi. Behin arriskua gainditzen denean,
He's about to throw its poison.
sendatzeko pozoia,
About to throw. Hear that, good fellows? It's a gun rat.
nurgle.
Rates, watch out. Ha! One less leech.
Oh, so many things I don't want to stop.
The rat's gonna die.
This way. Across here.
Hacen...
Oh, Orphan's drinking.
Vale, con tus...
I'll set that hook rat ablaze.
Hook rat's dead.
Whoa, slow down, Bardin. Leave some for the rest of us.
Don't think that'll be a problem, Saren. They're like fleas in a Tylian alehouse.
'Tis true. We never seem short of foe.
Brilliant beer, the racky's ass down.
Kill that scratcher.
Are you showing your strength out west? No more flames my way. Someone kill that bloody killer Dooley. Honor it all.
Hemen falta zitzaiguna gainera.
I thought you had this switched.
Taste more yet. You pull through, Wolf.
Eliminated foe for every scratch as well.
Good lord. I'm
The
feeling great.
spawn cannot abide cleansing fire.
Flame's a great leveler, Saltfire. Follow me!
Ez que armiarmak ere egon daitezke, armiarma erraldoia.
The deeper we go, the worse it gets.
Ja.
Stop showing off! You'll never be as good as Octopus!
Sendatzeko gauzarik ez dago, ez?
Found a potion!
Ez. Au.
There's a gas racky somewhere close by. Shots, spy, kill the gas rat. Must be this way. Backstabber! Sneaky ratty, dead and done. That rat's got a reach, all right.
Non dago? Ah, vale, hor.
Bastard done.
Ahor.
I fight on. To the last.
You'd look better, Saltspire.
Medical supplies at last.
You need this, peasant.
Really, Ratty? You challenge a Maven of the Flame?
What's something for you?
No more warp fire!
There, in that shadow.
Zealot versus the Insane. For which
Vale, caca. Justo la rapa de un lado.
standing, dung licker!
Over this way, Dringbarazzi.
Estoy también dichoso zegoela.
We're in for it now. Winds arise. Where's my boat? Fill your pouches.
I can continue so long as the bindings hold.
Vale, munizia behar dut.
Down in one!
Guatzen.
Through here. Listen up.
Oi, potsa hori ahia itotzen da.
See that? Assassin's coming.
Ez que arma hau oso indartu dago.
The Chaos Warrior done. Health to all and confusion to our foes. Lightly.
A ver. Gero irakurriko dut.
What a revolting mess. Someone ought to bury that thing. Someone
Era
like us.
insufritzera.
Watch every shadow. The rats will be back if the Northlanders aren't. Blood everywhere, and another one. Ow, this is fire! Gotcha! Be careful! Gas rat!
Es que hori bizitza kentzen digu. A ver!
On to the next.
Vale. Infección. Tremendo.
Ammunition! Thank Valaya! Watch out! Chaos Warrior!
Come on, keep going.
Sienna, hold fast!
Darlings, giving a woman a moment.
Marian vaya guiones. Mi falta di.
Keep going.
No vengo de eso, no de jugar beat.
That gas rat needs to die! Ah! Opening up! Justice finds thee! Blood, Robert! A Chaos Warrior! Its hour shall not hold!
Roland, I'm losing blood.
Let someone help you, was it?
I need a little help, darlings.
Flamecaster! Hold your breath, Dory. Plague! Dying? No! I will overcome these heretics. I will! You need your wounds binding, Soulfire.
Go, dude, move!
By the hammer!
Okay.
Hori da, irten manaiz eta besteak misioa burutzen badute lortzen dudala partida irabaztea. Gero esaten du jendea, hemen ez zara defendatu behar ez dakit zer. Ba ez, hemen defendatu behar zara, normala den moduan. Hori desatea berdina, jolasten un Dark Soul, baina ez du nahi ez da eskibatu, ez da blokeoak egin eta bar. Ba ez. Hori ez da movida.
Good evening.
Ah, vale, hemen lortzen da dirua, vale. Bueno, beste bat. Vale, guztiak alde egin dute. A ver.
Good evening.
Itxaron.
All is well. Well, not really.
Orain X-ari ematen ikus dezakegu Kerileren forma berria. A ver, hor desente egon daiteke. Edo hor, eta... Eta arku berriarekin. Bazen. Benetan. Ba, bale. Nahi dudanekin ez dut jugatu nahi dudanean.
The town's ruined, but there's still a job to do there. The Rockbloods are using the Baron's
vale, mene bidali behar dugu dena stand egin dezan. Vale, arazorik gabe.
And I want you to blow it up. They won't like that, I'll tell you. Use the black powder from a nearby mining emporium, but hurry up. There's a fat bunch of them marching on Usingen to claim their loot.
Konforme. Partida baten erdia sartzez ez bat ere gustatzen.
Never did like potions. Oh well, any port in a storm.
Oh, let this potion work.
A ver a Juan Bar con eso, con embate.
So much for that assassin! Coming, guns! All you got? Ah, really? Sorry! Yeah. Get killed, thank you. Give a man a moment, will ya?
Nice work, darling. No more rattling.
Vale.
I know that sound. It's a rattling gun.
I don't help you lightly, dwarf. Medicine!
Ore ni pocha non dago.
Let me stitch my leg back on.
Ratling's our problem, no more.
Gunrat needs silence!
Oh, mighty!
Eso, no el de berriak zuen ezagutzen.
Ready, let's do this.
Ha! Sometimes it's the simple things you treasure. Blackfire! On its way!
Keep back, sorry. The reinforcements are incoming.
Vale. Goazen. Hanka egin dezagun hemendik.
Ah, medical supplies!
Down here!
Okay, no wiggling!
Chaos spawn near. How about this door?
Slice through! Grimvarden.
This is the door.
Stand up and I'll stand by you. Agreed?
Ala batzen hemen
Perhaps I
di...
should send a few flames into the darkness. That'll flush the ratties and Northlanders out. Not sure there should be this much blood.
You look pale, wizard.
A good blow struck. I'll be glad to be out of here. I can't feel my hands.
Help! You need to practice your blade work, Sienna.
A ver. Listo, barrura. Vale, nivel izo gara. Ai. Generalarena. Bai. Ez dago txarto. Nor momentu horretzen duzu bai, edo puna datzen da. Eta duzu orain, bai.
Good evening. All is well. Well, not really.
Potzelin. Ez. Berriak edirenekin jogatzeko daukagun orain.
Good evening. All is well. Well, not really.
Benetan. Vale, nahi dugun pertsonaia aukeratu ezin duzunean.
Are getting a bit concerned about Castle Drakenfels again. Seems the Patsworn are making free with the place, and there are reports of folk going missing in the nearby villages. Sort it out, would you?
Right.
Trouble at Drakenfels is trouble we don't need.
Found a bomb!
Watch yourself!
That's a storm sorcerer! Beautiful little pieces!
Yeah, fine shot, no mistake.
Bueno, bentsat hasieran gaude. Sí, askoak.
See any survivors?
Healing draft here.
Up we go!
Gas rat! Did you not see it? Die, filthy gas rat! Ah, potion!
Oh, shall we keep peace as a single triumph? Say we tell. first woman's right now?
Not really. Our deeds have bound us to these places.
That's so. Sounds good. Sagoraki with shield! Shields up, feet are planted. Now let's crush them!
Don't let it hit you. Over here, mayflies. Come on, this way.
Oh, with an assassin close by.
A ver, izatea normala. Ez dugu ezusteko hori nahi.
That's a storm fiend. Move, mayflies. Vile. I smell Ratman poison.
The lot of you. Yes, boy! Globadier! Oh, you know your way around the pit.
Atzetik erasotzen baduzue.
Guess all
Hemen
those
ere
years of the
atzetik.
battle wizards paid off.
Volta akzion.
Quicker next time, will you?
I can't take much more, darling.
I see your fire. It rains, Sienna.
Hortik ez da baina, beno.
Shield booming among them.
Bueno, Grimoriak eta hori baldin badakiten on dauden.
Up, somebody!
Rise.
Ai, Gerilian, Gerilian, Gerilian. Ai, 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 ai. Gure Gerilian. Zer egingo zenukezuk gugabe, Gerilian. Nor da Clara.
Nice to be out in the fresh air, away from the sewage.
Up here.
A healing draught. Right here.
Zuretzat.
Now that.
A ver.
Cracky assassin, closing past. Raise his head on. Get Brat's dead. Well, let's hope this works. Oh, the Italian racking them up.
Ja, bueno. Tentu desatzeko lehen da biziagian, eskabenak akabatzea. Ideia hona litzateke.
Impressive, Morrison. So wipe that spittle from your mouth.
Zespila bat dira. Eskaben bat dagoen tokia, mezkizkaben bat agertu dira.
Rat man, always compensating with machinery.
There, no more fire rat. There's no satisfaction in killing the helpless, unless you're out.
Where's that wretched map?
What makes you exempt from searching? Well, isn't that a delight? A black stormer just
Etorri ona.
beating nearby.
Darkoko base bit.
It's just as well you're not a steam tank, Saltspire. We'd never get you up this hill.
This is not what I expected.
We timed that well. Ready
Ven,
to
Cambora.
fight, Tony.
Esango nuke hortik ez dela.
Plague monks incoming! Chaos warrior! The stunner warrior comes for us. Done ready.
Weak in the head, Baron.
Lumberfoot! Little hell! Come on,
Oi, Someone give me a beat.
A ver,
Check my
Lumberfoot.
should tend your wounds, one-eyed.
Light Stormer! I'll boil the flesh off his rotten bones!
No more running for you, Sackrat.
zer genuen izango zer.
Goes to me, so breaking one. Ha! The
Agur.
Blightstorm is gone.
I hope it's not spoiled.
Kotola pikuta.
Plague vermin!
Ah, you're getting the knack of this story.
Batzen gora.
Right through!
Hala. Lurrera hilda.
I'm glad Adaloth isn't here to see you, worthless arrows.
I'd sooner trust this.
grandmother hits harder than that. I'll give you one for free. Right here. Give me a good shot.
A ver, what?
Really alive about these. It's impressive. Black. Vile taste. Needs hops. Play grass. Grimby, stop letting them hit you. Can you not tell me from them, Grimby?
Compulsion, lend me vigor.
So, if Drakenfels isn't real, why is the
It seems we are to be spared this particular brand of Skaven genius.
Phantom ammunition!
Mitä oli? Mä vedin.
You ever hear Lorna talk about his superiors before, Solskjaer?
Through here!
Oi, assassin! Show yourself!
From here! Wrangler, bring it down! Don't let it touch me!
The assassin meets a deserved death.
Vale, Strangera acá todo.
Take that out!
Ren subir hacia arcatzera. Bai, guaz.
Medical supplies. A potion! Not bad one, eh? You must truly hate them.
They are heretics, conquerors, and cruel beyond measure. Hate flows easily in their presence.
Be careful! Yes! That's right! About your sword! Daddy! Over there! Kill the one!
Hemen termopilak egin beharko ditugu.
I can do this all day!
Vale, justo hau ez da egin pentsatuta neuken ideia. Baina ben, berdin da. Hori niretzat zen. Puerta epidemios.
I know you are here, heretics. Show yourselves!
Batzen.
Up here.
here?
Hiding in the shadows.
Ah! Another life leech!
Lilia, a blight stormer. Come, finish me if you dare.
There must be landmarks somewhere. I unleash black powder.
Not one. Not a single one.
Maybe I was aiming for you.
Benetan. Hori egitea beharrezkoa zen. Nire zutura. Patrullak saiestu alba ditugu, edo guardiak. Edo nahi duzen moduan orain bera.
That mark could be the gate. Or it might be.
Hemendik bera.
Must be another one.
Hold me up! Rattling gunners dead!
Your work continues, zealot.
Come on, then! If that's all you've got, you must have more! Not enough! Either in numbers or effort! More!
A gas rat approaches. At last, the Globadier's dead.
Oh, that's it! The statues guard the passage. Ah, at last!
No sea raro.
Next time we'll assault the main gate.
Hacen barrura.
There's foul magic on the air down here, darlings. Shalia's gift here.
Right, how do I tie this bandage off?
Ah, the taste is worse than the smell.
Ah, vale, badakizen den.
I toast victory.
Buruen zera hori.
It might be useful.
Lordat.
Where are you, demon? Afraid of fire?
Eskau gehiago dirudikorne. Joango gara kedillean egin.
Chaos Warrior!
Plague monks to fight.
Blood everywhere! That's another one gone! Good shot, Troy! Take your best shot! You stink stronger than you try!
I hear a leech on the side.
Join us.
apur bat daukadanean edango dut, vale.
Work, you stinking crow, work! Shield ready! Grimly's having a fit! Sorry, we found ourselves a few plagues. Come here, Watson! Hey, here's where the action is. Go on, again! I can take it!
Thought you lot were immortal.
Good stubby!
Venga ya. Vamos a ir despiruta la tío. Ah, vale. Usar Luis Hernández. Gran dinamita.
Let's get out while we can. Plague ratties, just waiting for a loving plague.
Look out! Left wing guard! Come, Wigglemasses! Penny not, for your redemption is at stake!
I died. Return me to the soil.
You look half dead for Belgium!
Even gunner. Try it not to get short with flies.
Come on, Watson! I know you can't. Are you also blind?
On your feet.
Over here! Easy pickings for you! Only a story!
Sure this would be this much blood. Long walk for a short distance, darling. I know, we've got back to the
Vale. Vale.
The Chaos Warrior! To me, Axe's flame!
Plague Racky, coming to say hello! Are we ready? The Chaos Warrior's down!
Uf, grazie dugu. Asko sufrituta irazi dugu. Uste dut orain, baikugan egongo dela zuzenean, begiratuko dut ia noiz dagoen eta ingo diogu raid polit bat. Bai. A ver. Hori ba, bueno, lagunok hau izan da dena. Espero dut gustoko izan zaizuela. Eta amaitzeko.
Goizetan egunan eta Aligabiltza denok arentzat honentzat, lore tartean pozik saltota dantza. Alaxe gabiltza, lore tartean pozik saltota dantza. Alaxe gabiltza, lore tartean